Gotta see this, the digital guard dog. It's a keyless ignition system and I just put it in my car. See the panel? Yeah, let's zoom in. It's just a push button. You don't need a key. You just carry this RFID device in your pocket and you just press that button to start the car. No keys required. Here's the guard dog tag, they call it. Without the dog tag, the car won't start. Let's see how it works. See? Without the dog tag, it won't start. But with the tag in your pocket, the car starts. Take a look. Real cool, huh? Let's do that again. Yep, he's a king. Real happy with the product. Thanks so much, Digital Guard Dog. Here I am, taking the car out for a spin. Dog tag's in my pocket. Press the button and I'm off. Okay. Nice product. Thanks, Digital Guard Dog.